Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to learn about SYGC secretarial practice. We have already completed our first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and then we have started with the second chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance. And in our today's video we are going to continuing with the same chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance, and we are going to discuss about bond. Now you must be knowing about what is bond. Bond is a source of fund to the company, okay, and when company required fund, company issue bond. The person who purchased the bond, that person is known as bond holder. Bond holder are the creditors of the company, and on behalf of the investment they receive interest, and the interest of bond holder is fixed. Okay, they are the creditors of the company. That is why they are not allowed to participate in the management of the company. Even they don't have any voting rights. This much we are going to learn. और ये जो भी मैटर आपको दिख रहा है, इट इज फ्रॉम योर बुक ओनली. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, बॉन्ड इज अ डेब्ट सिक्योरिटी. ओके, इट इज अ बोरोड फंड, दैट इज इट इज अ डेब्ट सिक्योरिटी. दैट मीन्स ये कर्जा होता है टू द कंपनी, बिकॉज इफ अ कंपनी टेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम द बॉन्ड होल्डर, तो कंपनी हैव टू रीपे दोस अमाउंट. दैट इज वाई इट इज अ डेब्ट सिक्योरिटी. ओके, इट इज अ फॉर्मल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू रीपे बोरोड मनी विथ इंटरेस्ट. सो व्हेन कंपनी इशू बॉन्ड, so it will become the contract between company and bond holder. That means company is going to give interest on behalf of bond holders investment. जो पैसा उन लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट किया है उसके बिहाफ में कंपनी इंटरेस्ट देगी. दैट इज वाई इट इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ओके, बिटवीन borrower and lender. Bond is a loan. Okay, so it is a type of loan which company is taking from bond holder. The holder of bond is a lender to the institution. Lender means what? That person is giving the money to the company. Okay, he is the creditors of the company. We know bond holders are the creditors of the company. और उनको रिटर्न में क्या मिलता है? They gets fixed interest, fixed rate of interest on behalf of their investment. Okay. Now, all bond have maturity date and is paid in cash at certain date in future. That means if a company is going to issue a bond, so company should mention the period of the bond. That means for how many years company is going to issue bonds. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, company should mention. Okay. According to Webster Dictionary, a bond is an interest bearing certificate, okay, issued by the government or a business firm promising to pay the holder a specific sum at a specific date. That means when company issuing the bond, the person who invests their money, that person becomes the bond holder. So on behalf of the investment, they also get this proof. That proof is known as bond certificate. Okay, that certificate shows that company is promising to the holder that company will pay some interest to the bond holder. Okay, those a company borrows money and issues bond as an evidence of debt. So when company is issuing the bond, that means company is saying that we are going to repay the amount. Interest is payable on bonds at fixed interval on maturity of bonds. That means fixed interval में कंपनी क्या करेगी? इंटरेस्ट देगी टू द बॉन्ड होल्डर, और जितना पैसा बॉन्ड होल्डर ने इन्वेस्ट किया है कंपनी में, वो अमाउंट भी रीपे करेगा. कब? एट द टाइम ऑफ मेच्योरिटी ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. जब उसका पीरियड, ऑन द कंप्लीशन ऑफ पीरियड ऑफ द बॉन्ड, कंपनी विल रीपे द अमाउंट. Okay, now let's talk about features of bond. First thing is given, that is nature of finance. तो इसका नेचर कौन सा है, कौन सा फाइनेंस होता है बॉन्ड? सो इट इज़ अ डेब्ट फाइनेंस. ओके, डेब्ट मतलब कर्जा होता है कंपनी के लिए. इट प्रोवाइड लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस. ओके, इट इज़ लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे 5 years, 10 years, 15, 25 years, 50 years के लिए कंपनी इशू करती है. द बॉन्ड कैन बी इशूड फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड, दैट इज 5 years, 10 years, 25 years and 15 years. Now, status of bond holder. तो bond holder कंपनी के लिए कौन होते हैं? They are the creditors of the company, we know, and they are not the owners of the company. Okay, the bond holders are creditors. They are the creditors of the company. First thing. Second, since they are the creditors and non-owners of the company, they are not entitled to participate in general meeting. They are not allowed to participate in the meeting of the company. Okay, now they have no voting rights and hence no participation in management. Okay, इनको voting rights भी नहीं होता है, even they can't participate in the management of the company. Now, third feature, return on bonds. The bond holders gets a fixed rate of interest. They get the fixed rate of interest. We already know it is payable at regular interval or on maturity of bond. Okay, तो कंपनी रेगुलर इंटरवल में इंटरेस्ट पे करती है और जो उनका अमाउंट होता है जो बॉन्ड होल्डर ने पे किया होता है कंपनी को, वो पैसा कब मिलेगा? एट द टाइम ऑफ मेच्योरिटी ऑफ द बॉन्ड. नाउ लास्ट पॉइंट, रीपेमेंट. Bonds have a specific maturity date on when the principal amount is repaid. Okay, तो bond having specific maturity, that means यहाँ पे हमने देखा कितने, अगर 5 साल के लिए कंपनी इशू कर रही है तो आफ्टर 5 years कंपनी शुड रीपे द अमाउंट टू द बॉन्ड होल्डर. उसी को बोलते हैं हम लोग मेच्योरिटी डेट. ओके, तो ये 4 फीचर्स ही दिया हुआ है. बॉन्ड इज वन ऑफ द सिंपलेस्ट टॉपिक. ओके, इसका प्रिपेयर द नोट्स ऑफ द बॉन्ड. ओके, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन. Okay students, so till then, thank you very much.